How to create a raw edit layer in Photoshop. First, open your raw image in Photoshop. Go to File, then Open. Select your raw image, and it will automatically open in Adobe Camera Raw. From here, you can make your usual adjustments, like exposure, contrast, color temperature, and more. Now, instead of just clicking Open, hold down the Shift key. The Open button changes to Open Object. Click Open Object, and this opens your image in Photoshop as a smart object, meaning you can re-edit the Camera Raw settings anytime. Just double-click the layer thumbnail, and Photoshop will reopen Camera Raw. Make your changes, then click OK to return to Photoshop. If you're working with a non-RAW image but still want Camera Raw control, right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, then choose Camera Raw Filter. This lets you apply Camera Raw edits just like you would on a RAW file. Now, click OK, and just like that, you've got a flexible, raw editable layer inside your layered Photoshop file. It is treated as a filter, and you can go back and tweak it anytime.